Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stewed okra. To begin, gather all your fresh ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh okra, 2 medium tomatoes, 1 large onion, and 1 bell pepper. Don't forget your choice of protein, like shrimp or chicken, and essential pantry items such as vegetable oil, garlic, and your preferred spices for a delicious meal. Now let's get everything prepped. Start by washing your fresh okra thoroughly, then slice it into half-inch pieces. Next, finely dice 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 bell pepper. For the tomatoes, you can either chop 2 medium fresh ones or use a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes for convenience. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Sauté your diced onions and bell peppers until they are soft, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Then, add the minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it becomes wonderfully fragrant. Stir in the sliced okra, tomatoes, and 1 cup of broth, then bring it to a gentle simmer for 20 minutes. Almost done. If you are adding protein like cooked shrimp or chicken, stir it into the stew during the final 5 minutes of cooking to ensure it heats through. Now, taste and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, black pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick if you like. Serve your delicious, warm stewed okra over fluffy rice, creamy grits, or alongside some fresh cornbread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.